homemade way of icing a cake using buttercream icing with Chef Joshua CCC. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So we are going to measure 1 packet of icing sugar. In 1 packet of icing sugar, you're going to apply 250 grams of prestige margarine. So after measuring 250 grams of prestige margarine, we are going to mix, or you are going to whisk. You can use a whisker or a wooden spoon. When you see it is too soft, you apply some little, like a tablespoon of milk. Okay? Then after, you're going to mix like for 10 minutes. You're going to apply flavor. You applied vanilla flavor. You apply vanilla so that you can get the flavor in our icing. After, you're going to level the cake. After, you're going to level the cake, so you first apply some butter icing. Then after, you put your cake, or you stick your cake. The side you leveled, it is the side you put down. Then after, you're going to put the first coating. You first ice up after, or you first ice at the top after you ice in the side. The way you see it is the way you can do it from my kitchen to your kitchen, and you feel the taste. Then after, but you make sure that when you are filling, you make sure that you fill to the fullest. The way practice makes perfect. Then after, put the second coating. You make sure that when you're applying the second coating, you apply it much, and make sure that it is all sprayed above before you put in the sides. After, apply in the sides. After, apply this in the sides. The reason why we are putting much, afterwards we are going to level. We are going to get our saw knife and we level, and we design the what? We design the cake. So you can try this method and also start a business from home. You can become a home baker and start a business from home. So you're going to get a saw knife. You get a saw knife and start leveling your what? Leveling your cake. You can get these equipments in Uganda. You can go in Chikubo and get these equipments. So you level, you get your saw knife, you start leveling slowly by slowly. So we are going to get our butter icing. You apply any color, but me, I used strawberry dark. Then I applied in my paper. If you want to WhatsApp me, you can WhatsApp me on that number for any information. Then I'm going to start designing. So if you want to become a professional, you can come and join Super Kitchen School of Quebec and Barista Training. We are located Kawempe Chirokole Tula Road. Come and train cookery, bakery, barista, and pastries. Then after, you design up. Afterwards, you design the sides. I used a home way. That's why you are seeing I'm using paper piping. But you can also buy nozzles. You can also buy piping bags. But me, I used a home way. Remember, this is Chef Joshua Musisis. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe.